Direct from the financial markets, here are the most recent headlines. Brought to you by Miles Capital.
Hello everybody, this is your anchor Aksa welcoming you to another edition of Miles Financial News. Let's delve into today's headline. The Indian rupee extended its rally on Monday, supported by strong momentum in Indian equity markets and significant foreign fund inflows. However, analysts warn that rising crude oil prices and increased demand for the US dollar from importers may limit further gains for the local currency. In economic indicators, the HSBC India manufacturing PMI slipped to 56.7 in September, down from 57.5 in the previous month, signaling a slight slowdown in manufacturing growth. According to data released by the Reserve Bank of India, India's foreign exchange reserves climbed by $223 million to reach a new record high of $689.458 billion. Looking ahead, S&P Global projects that India will become the world's third largest economy by 2030 to 2031 with an estimated annual growth rate of 6.7%. In commodities, gold prices hit a record high on Monday, driven by a weaker US dollar. Expectations of a monetary easing cycle from the Federal Reserve, along with potential rate cuts later this year, are supporting the price of non-interest-bearing gold. Additionally, escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East may lead to increased investment in safe haven assets like gold. And that wraps up our financial news coverage for today. Stay tuned for more insights. This is Aksa signing off.